We're seeing which slime can fall down faster. So we have gummy bear slime, and we have cupcake slime, gummy bear slime. Yeah. So, okay. I'll let them go on 3. 1, 2, 3. Up. You can fall all the way down faster. Like they have to get all the slime. Oh, the slime wins! All of it went down. Let's do it one more time. And I'll face it this way so you guys can see. Don't mind the screaming. That's my sister. She's like playing. 3, 2, 1. Who will fall down? Oh, this one won again. Okay, roll them up. Go. Let's see. This one won again. I guess Gummy Bear Slime won. This slime stretchy, fast, but did not win. Okay, I just want to know which slime is your favorite. This cupcake slime, it smells like cupcakes, and I wish I could eat it. But again, it got cute hearts and beads for cupcake, and it's nice and purple. We got this stretchy gummy bear slime with fake gummy bears, and it smells like gummy bears. It got glitter. It's just so beautiful. Comment down below which one you would play with more, cupcake slime or gummy bear slime. But I have to go eat dinner, so I'll be back tomorrow. Bye!